So the last part of examples for simple present tense, for now, of course, later I'm going to just do the review things on every part that would be needed. You could just comment me below, like if you want to hear more examples and if you want to just get more creative sentences. So here, I would just add more subjective pronouns here, and like we have like the group of subjects. So my sister and I play with the dog. So in Farsi, we have I at the beginning of the sentence. So we say man و خواهرم. This m is my. من و خواهرم with the dog. This is the order in Farsi. با سگ. با is with. با سگ. Now we have the verb at the end. بازی میکنیم. من و خواهرم با سگ بازی میکنیم. Sometimes we don't say و, especially in spoken form. We say من و خواهرم. It's like in English we don't say my sister and I. So we go with my sister and I. My sister and I. This is the same thing in Farsi. من و خواهرم با سگ بازی میکنیم. So my friend and I talk about you. من و دوستم. من و دوستم. We say I and my friend. من و دوستم درباره شما. درباره is about. شما, of course you know it's you. من و دوستم درباره شما صحبت می کنیم. من و دوستم درباره شما صحبت می کنیم. So this is how you have like the group of subjects here. My sister and I is we, which we say it in Farsi as ما. And my friend and I, من و دوستم, again we have it as ما. درباره شما صحبت می کنیم.